Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Myers Minis. Today we are going to be going over an activity called sound mapping. Now, sound mapping is an activity where you can introduce yourself to nature journaling. Sound mapping uses your power of observation that has to do with sound. Now, can anyone guess which one of our senses is used when we are using sound as an observation tool? If you thought your sense of hearing was the tool that you'll be using, you are correct. So right now, all you need in order to get going on this activity is a piece of paper, or you can even use a notebook if you want to start a nature journal in order to repeat this activity, and a writing utensil. So you can either use a pen, pencil, markers, or crayons, whatever you like. And for this activity, I first start with a dot in the center of the paper in order to represent myself. Now, when you're making drawings of the different sounds you hear, you're going to place them in what direction you think they go in. So you're going to try to guess what direction the sound is coming from, and then draw that symbol or that picture where you think, which direction you think that sound is coming from. So you can draw the sound you hear and try to interpret what you're hearing, or you can even make your own symbol up and have your own key to decode your symbols. All right, so let's begin this activity. And I like to time myself when I do this activity so I can keep it consistent, but you can make it as short or as long as you like. All right. All right, and I'm going to stop it right there. So here is what my sound map looks like so far. I have somebody that was yelling, I have a bird that was singing, and I also have a car that was driving too. Now, the longer you go on for this activity, the more sounds you're probably going to hear, which is going to make your sound map seem like there's a lot of sounds going on at the same time. But that's okay, because the more sounds you hear, the more accurate your sound map will be. Or if the less sound you hear, the more accurate your sound map can be too, because it's all about what sounds are going on during that time. That's why it's fun to repeat this activity during different times, so that you can see maybe there's more noise going on in the morning, maybe there's more noise going on in the evening, or maybe there's more noise on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So you can repeat this activity in order to see what sounds you hear during different times of the week or different times of the day. You can even go as far as to graph the sounds you hear. So are you hearing more man-made sounds? Are you hearing more nature sounds? And where are you too? Because where you are can also affect the amount of sounds that you hear too. Are you in a forest? Or are you in the middle of a busy intersection? Or are you in your own backyard? So these can all affect the sounds that you hear. Now, it might not seem like this, but this actually is used by scientists in national parks, in wildlife areas, and also wilderness areas, in order to study the effects of sounds that they have on visitors, or even wildlife too. All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed this activity, and I hope you all get to put it to use in creating your own nature journal, or just having some fun in using sound mapping in order to create your own nature picture. All right, well, I'll see you all next time and have a great day. This is Mr. Myers, and I hope you all enjoyed sound mapping.